Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cute hairstyle for toddlers. It is so cute and easy. I hope you like it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Joanna. I do a lot of hair videos and I also do vlogs. I hope you stick around. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get into the video. These are all the products that I'm going to be using during this video. All of them are linked in my description box for you. I'm going to start by spraying water, detangler, and then I'm just going to brush her hair. Then I'm going to grab more than half of her hair, and then with my comb I'm going to start making that line as straight as possible. Then once I'm done, I'm going to put the rest of the hair in a hair tie just to keep it out of my way. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of this Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. Then with my comb, I'm going to grab that piece of hair, and the rest of the hair I'm going to put it into a hair clip just to keep it out of my way. Then I'm going to grab that piece of hair and I'm going to brush it. Then I'm just going to do a simple braid. Once I'm done, I'm just going to secure it with an elastic. Then I'm going to take the hair out of the hair clip, and with my comb again, I'm going to grab another piece of hair about the same size, and the rest of the hair I'm going to put it back into that hair clip just to keep it out of my way. Then I'm going to brush that little piece of hair, then I'm just going to do a simple braid. And again, once I'm done, I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. Then I'm going to take the hair out of the hair clip, and again I'm going to brush it, then I'm just going to do a simple braid. And again, I'm just going to secure it with a rubber band. Now I'm going to move to the front of her head, and I'm going to take that hair out of the hair tie. Then I'm just going to apply a little bit of this gel to that hair. And now it's time to brush. And once it's smooth everywhere and I have it how I want it, I'm going to add to that hair the 3 little braids that we did in the back of her head. Then I'm going to tie everything together with a hair tie. Here I'm just removing the rubber bands that I used to secure the little braids. Now I'm just going to use this donut to create a bun. So I'm just going to put the hair through the donut, then I'm going to put the hair around it just to cover the entire donut. Then once I have it how I want it, I'm just going to put an elastic to secure the hair and the donut. Then the rest of the hair, I'm going to divide it into two at the bottom of the donut. Then I'm just going to put the hair around it. Then with that rubber band, I'm going to secure that little piece of hair that we have left. Now for the bow, I'm going to be using this scrunchie. I love it. It's actually mine, but it looks so cute on Charlie. And this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and see you next week for another hair video. Bye guys!